Hello everyone, welcome today's video. Setu Abhyas Bridge Course Standard 6 Subject Math Semi Test number 3. आज आपण इयत्ता 6वीच्या गणित सेमी या विषयाची चाचणी आणि त्या उदाहरणांवर चर्चा करणार आहोत. खाली डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्समध्ये दिलेल्या इतरही व्हिडिओंची माहिती अवश्य घ्या, ते व्हिडिओ बघा. Question 1. Encircle the smaller between given two numbers 99,468 and 2,35,705. In between 99,000 is the smallest one, so we circle it. 5,75,100, 5,75,010. Here is 5,75,010 is the smallest one, so we circle it. 49,99,919, 53,64,789. Here is 49 lakh is the smallest one. 19,99,919 and 90,20,049. Here is 19 lakh is smallest one, so we circle it. Question 2. Write the proper symbols in the box. First, 9 plus 8 is 17 and 5 into 4 is 20. 20 is the bigger one, so we give the symbol like this. Second one, 7 into 4 28 and 15 into 6 30, so 30 is the bigger, so we give the symbol. Third one, 18 minus 12 6, 25 divided 5 is equal to 5, so 6 is the bigger one and 5 is the smaller. Fourth one, 54 divided 9 is equal to 6 and 15 minus 9 also 6. Here is the same answer, 6 6, so we give the symbol equal to, that is like this. In this way we give proper symbols in the box between two answers. Question 4. Write following numbers in figure. 67 crore 19 lakh 14,807. You write this number in figure properly in this way. 67 crore 19 lakh 14,807. Second one, 8 crore 45 lakh 12,014. This one is also right like this. Question 4. Read the numbers and write them in words. 10 crore 42 lakh 55,999. You can write in figure like this. Second one is 5 crore 38 lakh 485. Here you also write this number in words, and you can write the numbers in figure in words, that is most important. And we write the numbers like this. 5 crore 32 lakhs 485. Spellings also have to correct. Question B. Find equivalent fraction for given fraction 5 upon 9. Here we have to find equivalent fraction. We multiply both same number, so we multiply 5 into 2 and 9 into 2, that is 10 upon 18. You have to multiply any number, but condition is the same number you have to multiply both. This is the equivalent fraction of 5 upon 9, that is 15 upon 27 also. C. Solve. A. 8 upon 15 plus 11 upon 15. Here we have to add 11 plus 8, 19 upon 15 is the answer. Next one is 9 upon 12 minus 4 upon 12, and we have to subtract 9 minus 4, and answer is 5. So the answer is 5 upon 12. Here is the denominator is same, so we write is at like 12 and subtract only numerator. So the answer is 5 upon 12. It is very easy to solve this example. Next one is solve following example by proper meaning of given signs. 47 lakhs 2,609 plus 87 lakh 53,356. Here is the sign is addition, so we have to add these numbers in proper way. You have to do addition like this, and the answer is give appropriate sign and carry over. Second one is 70 lakh 32,345 minus 28 lakh 99,547. Here is the subtraction is given because sign is of minus or subtraction. So we have to subtract these two numbers like this. Do every action very carefully by giving carry over. Next question, solve following example by proper meaning of given signs, same as 954 into 27. Here is the sign of multiplication, so we multiply these two numbers and answer is like this. If you know the table of 27, you multiply directly by 27. Next one is 9,656 divided by 70. The sign is of division, so we divide these two numbers. 9,656 divided by 17, and we have to divide like this. You know the all steps of division, so that is very easy for you, and the answer is 568. Question 6. solve the following word problems. First is Kishore purchased a laptop for rupees 43,550 and a printer for rupees 14,990. Then how many rupees did he spend? Here first we have to know which action to do. The question is how many rupees did he spend? Total rupees we have to take. So we do here addition of two numbers, and this addition is done by this. Answer is 68,540. Total amount spent by Kishore to purchase laptop and printer. Question 2. Mohsin sold his old four-wheeler for rupees 2,27,450 and bought new vehicle of rupees 8,68,775 from the same shop. Then how much cost did he pay? Here is we have to do a subtraction. 8,68,775 minus 2,27,450. The answer is 6,41,325. You also try to solve this subtraction because that is most important. Third, cost of one computer purchasing for school is rupees 29,680. What is the cost of such 15 computer? Here given is cost of one computer and find cost of 15 computer. So we have to do a multiplication, and that is like this. We multiply directly by 15 because we know the table of 15, and the answer is 4,45,200. Cost of 15 computer. The condition is that every word problem you have to write a sentence properly. Question 4. 18 pass out student contributed rupees 9,18,000 to construct a science lab for school. What is the contribution of each student if they contributed equally? 18 students and rupees 9,18,000. So we have to divide 9,18,000 divided by 18. The answer is 50,001. Every student contribute 50,001 rupees. In this example, you write the answers in sentence also. It's give 1 marks. Complete the following table. Diagram. Diagram is of angle ABC. Name of the angle. Observe the angle and write the name of this angle. The angle is, obtuse angle. Vertex is here B, and arms of an angle AB and BC. First you observe the figure diagram of angle and then write the answer of following. Very easy to write. Draw a circle of radius 7 cm. First you have to draw a radius means a line 7 centimeter by scale, and then draw a circle with the point of center. First you practiced to draw a circle. I hope you know that. Friends, in this way we have to solve all questions very easily. You have to subscribe our YouTube channel to know new videos are upcoming, and also like and share our channel. आमचे हे यूट्यूब चॅनल नक्की सबस्क्राईब करा, लाईक आणि शेअर करा. सर्व उदाहरणांचा सराव करा. तुम्हाला परीक्षेसाठी बेस्ट ऑफ लक. थँक यू व्हेरी मच.